David and Goliath. David was a shepherd boy. His people were at war with the Philistines. Far away from the battlefield, David used his slingshot to keep the flock safe from wild animals. One day, a giant Philistine soldier named Goliath dared anyone to fight. David gathered stones from the creek and loaded one into his slingshot, letting it fly. David's stone flew through the air, striking Goliath right between the eyes. With a loud thud, Goliath fell to the ground. David had saved his people. King Saul made David a soldier in his army. David would one day rule the kingdom. The end.